Welcome to Designfusion's Solid Edge blog. This is the second part of a three-part series introducing you to What's New in Solid Edge 2026. In part 2, we'll look at the part, sheet metal, and assembly enhancements. Welcome to Solid Edge 2026, where innovation meets efficiency. Today we're exploring few groundbreaking features that will transform your part and sheet metal design workflow. Let's begin with our expanded etch capabilities, a game-changing enhancement that now supports bends and 3D curves in both ordered and synchronous environments. Designers will appreciate the ability to apply etches on bend and curve surfaces with unprecedented precision. What makes this feature particularly powerful is the flexibility to modify etch faces even after placement, coupled with automatic updates as your model changes. This adaptability ensures you can perfect your designs at any stage of the development process, delivering the precision and control that modern manufacturing demands. Moving on to our enhanced multi-edge flange capabilities, we've revolutionized the way you work with sheet metal designs. This update automatically creates clean and precise multi-edge flanges while delivering optimal trimming and mitering patterns without manual intervention. We've extended functionality to previously unsupported geometric configurations, significantly reducing the time spent on manual determinations. The result is a streamlined process that ensures manufacturing-ready results every time, benefiting both experienced designers and those new to sheet metal design. Creating thin-walled components has been transformed with our new wall thickness support in Add Material features. This innovative capability enables you to generate hollowed features in one seamless operation, offering precise control over wall thickness while providing intuitive options for thinning direction. The system intelligently handles end caps and internal material removal, all within a single efficient workflow. Available across both ordered and synchronous environments, this enhancement dramatically streamlines the design process, allowing you to create complex thin-walled components with unprecedented ease and accuracy. The new tab and slot command represents a significant leap forward in sheet metal assembly design. This innovative feature transforms what was once a time-consuming, manual process into an elegant, automated solution. Users can now create perfectly matched interlocking components in seconds using a single command. The functionality works seamlessly whether you're working with single parts, multi-body parts, or assemblies. This intelligent automation not only facilitates precise alignment and assembly, but also serves as an efficient solution for temporary fixtures during welding or assembly processes, ultimately simplifying the entire manufacturing workflow. Solid Edge 2026 continues our commitment to delivering powerful, user-focused solutions that streamline your design process and enhance productivity. These innovations represent more than just features. They're your gateway to faster, more efficient design workflows and superior manufacturing outcomes. Solid Edge 2026 brings to you significant improvements that enhance part and assembly workflows. These features focus on improving efficiency, simplifying processes, and providing better design communication tools. Let's explore these new capabilities and how they can benefit your daily work. First, let's look at a new feature, magnetic snap. This AI-powered functionality automatically identifies and assigns multiple mates based on nearby adjacent surfaces or edges. No more tedious manual constraint assignments. The system intelligently recognizes proper connections, making assembly creation more intuitive and efficient. As we see in this example, we are missing an auger along with its base. As we bring in these components to assemble, we can use the new command magnetic snap instead of the flash fit. Dragging the edge of the base to the hole automatically applies a planar as well as the axial constraint. Similarly, we can bring in the auger subassembly and constrain it with the magnetic snap. Notice how quickly these components have been placed and positioned in the assembly. Next, we've enhanced part display configuration capabilities. You can now create multiple visual variations of parts and assemblies within a single document, customizing them for different needs. Toggle the visibility of specific elements on and off to create new configurations with just a few clicks, all without altering the actual geometry. Here we can see we have 3 configurations created for showcasing the etch, just the sketch, and finally an added decal on the part. The improved visual explode feature brings new levels of clarity to your design communication. You can now save exploded views as display configurations, making it easier to reuse, share, and document exploded assemblies. This enhancement strengthens Solid Edge's ability to manage, capture, and repurpose exploded configurations using familiar workflows. We also have the option to choose the specific part display configuration for all the parts within the main assembly. For this side panel, we will change the default display configuration to the one with the decal. Finally, our part copy functionality has been significantly enhanced. You can now include geometric elements like coordinate systems, sketches, and reference planes in your part copies. In this example, we see that we are missing a side panel. We are going to create a mirror part copy of the existing panel on the right. As we see here, we are able to capture the existing coordinate systems and reference planes while copying as a construction body. Once created, we can save this mirrored part, copy, and bring it inside the main assembly. We start by activating the reference coordinate system of the part it's going to sit on. Using the Match Coordinate Systems option, we assemble the new part and place this part. Copies automatically update when the original part changes, maintaining specified parameters throughout the assembly. The new enhancements in Solid Edge 2026 deliver greater flexibility and control, helping you work faster and more effectively from concept to completion. With intelligent automation, improved visualization options, and enhanced reuse capabilities, you can focus more on innovation and less on technical processes. Experience the future of assembly design with Solid Edge 2026. Want to learn more? Sign up to our customer portal at the website shown on this slide, where you have access to knowledge-based articles, tips and tricks, how-to articles, and much more. If you require additional support, you can contact our support team at support@designfusion.com or call us at 1-8772-151-883.